SAIFILTER wire mesh sintered felt filter disc is by SS310 fiber felt and SS316 mesh shoe with their innovative spot welding designs. It's more advantageous in the various manners rather traditional filtration elements. It has high strength, light dirt holding capacity, and uniform openings with great precision. SAIFILTER wire mesh sintered felt filter discs are produced in a variety of size specifications. Filtration rate ranging from 0.5 micron to 100 micron is achieved with 99.9% efficiency. Sintered metal filter disc has significant filtration characteristics. The micron rating is tested in our in-house testing facility to offer the confirmed filtration rating. Not only for filtration, it can withstand high temperatures up to 1000 to suit heat dissipation or flame pot applications.